Let me explain to you how jealousy works, how jealous people operate, how jealous women operate. When someone is jealous or envious of you, the first thing that they are going to try and attack when it comes to you is going to be your reputation and people's perception of you. That is the first thing that the jealous person is going to try and damage. Women do this a lot, which is why I always say I don't really keep women around me. You have to be a certain type of woman. I don't keep women around me. That's just a boundary that I have. Because they will work overtime to plant small seeds in people's heads about you to start transforming and morphing people's perception of you. That's how jealous women operate. Women, and yes, I'm going to keep saying women. I'm not saying men aren't jealous, but women live, breathe, and eat jealousy. That's just something that that's how I feel about women. Not all women, but 98.9% of them have a jealousy problem, and I'm very aware of that. What women like to do is change people's perception towards someone that they're jealous of. So you can be a nice, beautiful, vibrant, confident woman, and a woman will not like you. You can find this in the workplace. You can find this at church. You can find this amongst family. The chick don't like you, right? She don't know you like that, but she don't like you. Or something about you triggers her. What she's going to do is she's going to go around and start planting seeds in people's minds to change their perception of you.